Exploring the mystery, intrigued by death. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often appears in literature, conversations, and various forms of media. The phrase is intrigued by death. It's a powerful expression that captures a complex human emotion. Our goal is to unpack its meaning, usage, and the nuances that come with it. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring the depth of expressions, this video is for you. First, let's break down the phrase starting with the word intrigued. To be intrigued means to be fascinated or curious about something, often because it's mysterious or difficult to understand. Intrigue involves a desire to learn more about a subject, to explore it deeply. It's a feeling that draws you in, compelling you to investigate further. Now, on to the second part, death. Death is the cessation of all biological functions that sustain a living organism. It's a universal experience, yet it remains one of life's greatest mysteries. Different cultures and individuals have varied beliefs and feelings about death, ranging from fear and sadness to acceptance and curiosity. When we combine these terms into the phrase, intrigued by death, we're talking about a profound curiosity or fascination with the concept of death, its meanings, its processes, and the emotions it evokes. This intrigue can manifest in many ways, such as in the pursuit of philosophical or spiritual understanding, in artistic expressions, or in scientific research. People might be intrigued by death for several reasons. For some, it's a philosophical quest to understand what, if anything, comes after life. For others, it's about coping with the fear of the unknown, finding comfort in the exploration of death's inevitability. Artists and writers might explore themes of death to express fundamental truths about human existence, while scientists and medical professionals might be driven by a desire to prolong life or ease the process of dying. The phrase, intrigued by death, can be used to describe a person's interest or emotional engagement with the topic of death. It might appear in discussions about literature, philosophy, or personal reflections. It's important to use it sensitively, acknowledging that death can be a delicate subject for many. We hope this exploration into the phrase, intrigued by death, has been enlightening. English is a language rich with expressions that capture the depth of human experience, and understanding these phrases can deepen our conversations and reflections. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you're intrigued by the complexity of English and its phrases, stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.